Hello everyone, welcome to the next session on operations research. In this session, we will solve the third numerical on the topic of Monte Carlo method of simulation. A bakery keeps stock of popular brand of bread. Previous experience indicates the daily demand as given below. So we have daily demand given and the probability of this daily demand based on experience as it is mentioned here. Consider the following sequence of random numbers. So some random numbers are given to us. Using above sequence, simulate the demand for the next 10 days. So we will have to simulate the demand for the next 10 days. Find out the stock situation if the owner of the bakery decides to make 30 breads every day. Estimate the daily average demand for the bread on the basis of simulated data. So we will start solving this problem by drawing the same table that we had made in the previous two numerical. So we will start with demand that is already given to us. Then we will talk about the probability. So first two columns should be based on the data given. Then we always talk about the cumulative probability that is possible. Then we will write down the random number interval, and lastly the random number that is fitted in the interval. So the demand is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So the probability given is 0.01. This is 0.2. Next is 0.15. Then we have 0.5. Then we have 0.12 and finally 0.02. So we will start with the first cumulative value as 0.01. Then we will add this and it becomes 0.21. Then we add this, it becomes 0.36. When you add this, it becomes 0.86. This will be 0.98. And finally, when you add this, it becomes 1.00. Next, we'll talk about the random number interval. For that, we will multiply each value with 100. So it becomes 1, 21, 36, 86, 98, 100. We will subtract 1 from each of them. So it becomes 0, 20, 35, 85, 97, 99. Interval starts with 0 and it will go up to the first value, that is 0. So the next one will start from here, 1. 1 to 20. Then we will go to 21. So 21 to 35. The next value is 36 to 85. Next value is 86 to 97, like this, and 98 to 99. So when we talk about the random numbers and its fitting, so we will start with this value here. This will be 48. Then we have 78, which will fit here itself. So it is 1. 78 is 2. 19 is here. That is 3. 51. 51 will fit here. 4. 56 will fit here. 5. 77 will also fit here. 6. 15 will fit here. This is number 7. 14 will also fit here. This is 8. 68 will fit here. 9th and 9 will fit here. So it is 10. So we have fitted all the random numbers. Now we'll make the next table. We are talking about the stock situation. So we will write down day. Then we will write down the demand, number of cakes that are being made, and the stock situation. So day is 10. Then we will talk about the demand. So based on these numbers, you will have the demand value. So the first two values are 30. Third value is showing 10. Fourth is again 30. So I have written the demand. Now if you read the problem, it is said that every day 30 cakes will be made. So here I will write down 30 for each. So now we'll calculate the stock. The number of cakes made are 30. Demand is 30. So nothing in stock. Cake made 30. Demand 30. Same, no stock. Cake made at 30. Demand is only 10. So the person has only sold 10 cakes. So 20 remain here. And again this is 30, 30. But this tail cake still is remaining 20. Again 30, 30. This will be 20. 30, 30. So this will be 20. The same value continues. Now 30 made, 10 sold. So 20 cakes get added. So this becomes 40. Again this is 30 and 10. So 20 added more, 60. 30, 30. So 60 will continue. And again 20 added. So this becomes 80. Now let's add the total demand that we have. So this number is 220. Now if you have to write down the average daily demand, it will be 1 upon 10 into the total demand. This will be 22 cakes. And this is the answer. So with this, I end the session. I hope you have understood the numerical. If you have any doubts, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.